Good afternoon, all of you. Today, in this video, I'm going to talk about a very important topic, that is the condensation and precipitation. What is this condensation means? Condensation, where the liquid in a vapor state condenses to a liquid form, is a one of type of the precipitations. And in this processes, what happen, the amount of energy is going to be released because the uh, the vapor state has a higher energy as compared to a water in a liquid state. So here what happen, the surrounding air molecule will gain energies, and if we see, the evaporation is just the reverse of this condensation. Means in evaporation what happened, the water in a liquid state converted into a vapor state. Here what happened, the amount of energy is going to be observed, that is required to convert this water in a liquid state to a vapor state. Here what's in this process, what happened, what we see, there the lower energy state is converting into in higher energy state, because the water in a vapor state has a higher energy as compared to the water in a liquid state. So here what happened, the amount of energy is required, and in condensation, just the reverse of this evaporation, the amount of energy is going to be released. And in this too, what happened, the evaporations, in evaporation, if it is taking place, that is the liquid is converting into a vapor state. Here the amount of energy is required, that is the surrounding air molecule will uh, loses the energies, and in this and the reverse of this, the evaporations, sorry, in condensation, uh, the amount of energy is going to be released and the surrounding air molecule will gain energy, and in evaporations, the amount of energy is observed, that is required. So in the here what happened, the surrounding air molecule will lose energy, and in condensation the surrounding air molecule will gain energy. Okay, now we will see the exact definition of this. I have given the just a brief, just the introduction, just to know how this uh, phenomena and what is the meaning actually is the condensation and evaporation. Rest of the what I have to discuss, uh, the evaporation and condensation. Here we see the latent heat of evaporations is responsible for evaporation to take place, and latent heat of condensation is responsible for condensation to take place. I will tell the exact definition of this. Evaporation and condensation. Evaporation is a process in which a matter changes from a liquid to a gas, while condensation is the process in which a matter changes from gas to a liquid. The two processes take place when air molecule either gain or lose energy in the form of heat. Latent heat of evaporation. It is the energy required to change a liquid at its boiling temperature to its vapor state. Latent heat of condensation. It is the energy released when a liquid in a vapor state condenses to form a liquid droplet. Form of condensation. There are different forms of condensation which can be classified on the basis of temperature and location. The water vapor or the moisture in the atmosphere takes one of the form: cloud, dew, frost, fog, etc. Uh, Mist, smog, haze, and smaze. I will not tell the definition of uh, the form of the condensation. What is dew, frost, fog, mist, smog, haze, smash. I just give the name of this, the form of the condensations. Now we will see the precipitation. Precipitation is any type of a water or a moisture that form in the earth atmosphere and then drop onto the surface of the earth in the form of snow, hail, sleet, drizzle, and rain. The distribution of precipitation is affected by the following factor: latitude, distribution of a land and water, winds and ocean current, and mountain barrier. Now we will see the form of the precipitations. The precipitation can be in a liquid form or in a frozen form. There are many types of precipitation like rain, snow, sleet, freezing rain, and hail. Rain and drizzle are the only liquid types. The freezing types are snow, sleet, freezing rain, and hail. ठीक है, the liquid type is only the rain and drizzle, and the rest, the snow, hail, sleet, uh, is in a frozen state. No, only this. No, I think so. In this video, is enough. That is, I have covered the condensation, precipitation, evaporation. What are the mm, uh, and the responsible to take this condensation and evaporation to take place. uh, and also I have discussed the precipitations, the form of the condensation, the form of the precipitation. So like in this video is enough. Rest of the whatever related to this I will discuss in a later video. Till now, I have done this. Okay, thank you.